Hello and welcome to Mountain Mama's Home Kitchen. I'm Shayla, a large family mama who has been scratch cooking for over 30 years. I can't believe it myself. This channel is all about from scratch cooking with short step-by-step recipes to inspire you, spark new ideas, or just keep you company while you're busy in your own kitchen. Personally, that's one of my favorite features to channels like this. Here you will find cozy how-to videos featuring the recipes I share, peeks of in my homemaking videos over on the main channel, Singing a New Song at Mountain Mama's Home, and from my blog, Singing a New Song. Whether you're looking for new meal ideas to try or just need a little body doubling motivation to get dinner on the table, you're in the right place. Be sure to check out my playlists, they'll be below. Also, be sure to subscribe to RSS feeds on my blog for better notifications for when I publish recipes. Lastly, if you are a food blogger and have a recipe you would like me to feature, reach out. I would love to feature it here and collaborate with you. Let's get cooking.